Number 2. The advent of AI in healthcare.
In this age of technology, artificial intelligence knows no bounds. Once thought a futuristic threat to humankind, AI is changing and saving lives. Not intended to replace clinicians or clinical judgment, AI serves the purpose to enhance and complement the very human interaction of provider and patient. In healthcare, AI is changing the game with its applications in decision support, image analysis, and patient triage. With their ability to reduce variation and duplicate testing, decision support systems quickly decipher large amounts of data within the electronic medical record. AI technology is also taking the uncertainty out of viewing patient scans by highlighting problem areas on images, aiding in the screening and diagnosis process. Artificial intelligence helps with the issue of physician burnout by collecting patient data via an app or text messaging. Chatbots now ask patients a series of questions regarding their symptoms, taking the guesswork out of self-diagnosis and saving both the patient and provider time and money. With the AI integration, working smarter enables solutions to a variety of issues for patients, hospitals, and the healthcare industry.
Good morning, everyone. We from Group 1 will discuss a very interesting and relevant topic in this digital era, namely artificial intelligence in healthcare. Introduction. Artificial intelligence or AI is transforming healthcare because it enables machines to learn from data. What many people do not realize is that AI can diagnose diseases that are often missed by human eyes. If AI is implemented responsibly, it could reduce medical errors, which remain a major global health challenge. However, while AI offers precision, some experts wish that regulation could keep up with its rapid development. The question of whether AI will replace doctors remains controversial, especially in fields where human empathy is irreplaceable, unless ethical guidelines are strengthened. The healthcare system might face risks that could undermine patient trust.
Key computer technology term definition. What AI in healthcare? Definition: AI, which mimics human thinking, performs tasks that require human intelligence. Example: IBM Watson show how AI detects cancer in scans. Explanation: where early detection matters, AI spot tumor faster if properly trained. Expert with costs weren't so high. 2. Electronic health record. Definition: EHR are digital systems that store medical data. Example: Epic demonstrates why digital records help. Explanation: when accessed quickly, EHR reduce errors that paper cause. If secured properly, patients with privacy concerns are disabled. 3. Telemedicine. Definition: telemedicine delivers care remotely, which helps rural patients. Example: Halodoc proves that remote consult work. Explanation: because it removes distant barriers, telemedicine helps people who lack access. Doctors with adoption were wider. 4. Medical imaging. Definition: imaging creates visual that aid diagnosis. Example: MRI reveal what eyes might miss. Explanation: when enhanced digitally, scans show abnormalities that traditional methods don't. We find it better, radiologists wish all clinics had these tools.
Current computer technology uses: A. Healthcare cybersecurity crisis. Current state: the 307 plus US breaches in 2025, which exposed 42 million records, reveal how vulnerable legacy systems remain. Attack occur when hospital lets expert team, often through third-party vendors. Background: UNLUS organization implement zero-touch architecture. Ransomware will keep decrypting care. I wish healthcare priority security like clinical automation. B. Robotic in public healthcare. Current study. The NAC plan that robotic system will assist in 25% of surgeries by 2035. Robot that perform sub-millimeter precision actions enable faster recovery. Top tier $2 million plus sprint tax limit access. Background: if training program don't expand, the robotic revolution might worsen staff shortages. The killings is water public health system can afford this transition. Identification of the select problem. Course: uses in cyber attack and health data security. 1. Outdated or inadequate security system. 2. Lack of cybersecurity awareness among medical staff. 3. Increased ransomware attack. 4. Lack of security standard regulation and compliance. Impact on technology industry and users. Impact to industry. Large financial losses, recovery costs, legal finance, and loss of talent. Pressure to raise security standards. Device investment in cybersecurity technologies, encryption, blocking, tooless architecture. The need for secure AI and big data development. Companies must ensure that data processing medical data with AI does not violate privacy.
Identification of the selective impact on user, patients, personal data leakage, including medical history, identity, and insurance information, can be misused for medical fraud. Loss of trust. Patient may refuse digital services, telemedicine, electronic medical records. Potential discrimination, for example, if genetic data is linked to insurance or employers. Number 1. Ransomware attack on Scrip Health, US 2021. The ransomware attack forced the hospital IT system to shut down completely for almost 4 weeks. More than 147,000 patients were affected and their data was leaked. The cost of loss was reported at 113 million. Number 2. Indonesia BPJS had data leak 2021. Data of 279 million Indonesian was leaked and shared on hacker forums. Data includes an NIK, full name, address, cell phone number, and family data. The impact extends to the fintech and banking sectors due to misuse of identity. Identification of the selective problem. Core challenges in medical robotics and automation in public healthcare services. Number 1. High costs and limited access. Number 2. Shortage of trained human resources. Number 3. Data security and ethical concerns. Number 4.
Overdependence on technology if hospitals rely too heavily on robots impact on the industry and users. On the healthcare industry, operational efficiency improves where robotic systems like the Da Vinci surgical system are used, enhancing precision and reducing surgery time. Automation reduces workload, which allows medical staff to focus on critical tasks. If innovation continues at this pace, startups and medical tech manufacturers will thrive. On users, patients, and healthcare workers, service quality improves because robotic-assisted surgeries minimize patient risks. I wish access were more equitable, but urban hospitals benefit more than rural ones.
Identification of the selected problems. Da Vinci Surgical Robot RCM Jakarta. Introduced in 2021 at Indonesia National Referral Hospital. This robot which specializes in prostate and gynecologic cancer surgeries and smaller incisions and faster recovery. Drone Delivery Robot Singaporean Hospital. Alexander and Chinese Hospital is logistics robots that reduce medical staff workload by 30%. Solution: Particle AI solution in healthcare. Right diagnosis. AI analyzes medical images, X-ray, MRI for disease detection such as cancer or TB. Data management, NLP processing of electronic medical records, protection of points, rates, special admissions. Personalized medicine. AI recommends therapy based on patient's genetic profile. Set up automate the course, start less an investor. Chatbot. AGIDI helps for early system trials. Telemedicine. AI monitors client patterns via wearable.
Solution 1. Focus on interoperability and modular system for programmers. What developers solve prioritize is creating open APIs that enable integration with other medical devices. Build systems that can adapt to various hospital platforms to reduce implementation costs for companies. If tough companies adopt modular design, hospitals with limited budget can adopt the technology gradually. 2. Embed cybersecurity from the design phase for programmers. That medical robot are prime hacker target requires the security be backed into the code. Use end-to-end encryption so that patient data remains secure. For companies, if companies invest ethical hacking teams, vulnerability that haven't been detected can be found before product launch. 3. Invest in training and user support for programmers. That most medical staff aren't programmers, main interface must be intuitive and easy to learn. For companies, if companies offer freestanding programs, adoption will be faster where resources are limited. For collaboration with medical personnel early on for programmers. What doctor actually needs should be development foundation, not what seems technologically impressive. For companies, if a neighbor shadow students during evaluation, the understanding where robots can help.
Solution: short-term versus long-term implementation of AI in healthcare. 1. Medical diagnosis and analysis. Short-term 1 to 3 years. AI assists in radiology interpretation, usually diabetic retinopathy detection. CAD system may reduce diagnosis error by 3 person. Long term, 5 to 10 years, AI could become primary diagnostic assistance, integrating genetic and real-time data through patient management and records. Short term, AI chatbots handle patient inquiries and symptom-based guidance. Long term, predictive AI anticipates hospitalization and disease outbreaks using population data.
Solution short term versus long term. Implementation of AI in healthcare, 3. Robotics and surgery. Short term, AI-guided robot assist in simple procedure and surgical alternatives. Long term, autonomous system may perform routine surgeries with oversight. 4. Drug development and therapy. The short term, AI speed up clinical trial screening, shortening drug development. Long term, AI design personalized drugs and discovers new center therapies.
Conclusion: Artificial intelligence or AI in healthcare has brought about major transformations by improving diagnosis accuracy, treatment personalization, and healthcare efficiency. AI technologies such as machine learning and deep learning are capable of rapidly analyzing medical data, aiding early detection of diseases such as cancer or diabetes, predicting health risks, and responding robotic surgery. In addition, AI also automates administrative tasks, reduces the workload of medical personnel, and accelerates drug development research. This is our presentation on artificial intelligence in healthcare. Thank you for your participation and attention. Hope you find it useful.